Now then, in this video we're going to show you how to build 2 fires, one using wood, one using charcoal, and just how easy it is to light. We're not going to be using any chimneys or anything like that. We're just going to be building a little fire, and yeah, that's how it goes. So we're going to be using some Glow Baltic apple charcoal. I'm going to put it up there because I can't reach. And this is it's not a bit different to lump wood, but it does the same job. So this is how I normally start. So I basically build a little structure. So you've got plenty of like airflow. I mean, it doesn't need to be perfect. That's just me. So basically, we light this. Give these a little twist. Your basic. I think they're called woodies. It's just a mixture of wood shavings and wax, and they light very easy. Bob that in the centre, then I normally just finish it off by just topping it over, just so it's plenty of airflow, but still there is still plenty of charcoal there. And then we just leave it. The next way is using kiln dried wood. So very similar. Build it like that, like that, like that. And this is going to be called a top down fire. Very simple. Like that, like that. Same again. Get your little wood here. But this time, instead of dropping it to the top, dropping it to the bottom, we're just going to place it on top, like so. And that's it. We leave them now 10 minutes and we'll come back to it. So this is a bit of a close-up of the top down fire. Basically like Jenga. It starts at the top with the thinner bits, and you tend to get thicker as you go to the bottom. This is also a good way if you're trying to light in damp conditions. If the base is damp, you've got a fire going up here, nothing's getting wet. This we've done a very similar setup. See the airflow here. Just see in there, and yeah, 5-10 minutes, that'll be good. So it's been about 5 minutes now. You can see this is starting to go down a little bit more. It's getting a bit up. This is starting to come through. You can see there's a lot of red embers in there. Still another few 5-10 minutes to go, but yeah. But this works in any sort of barbecue. You don't need to spend money on a chimney starter. If you want a chimney starter, you can have one. I've not used one for years. This works for me. smoke is getting in my eyes, but this wood has been out in the winter, so it's just struggling to take it. Must have a bit of dampness. I can see at this side there's a bit of dampness coming out at the end. So what we've done, we've taken a bit of charcoal from here, we've just stuck it underneath just to give it a bit of heat, and it's starting to go a lot better now. You can just see on the end here, you can just see like the wet bit to the dry bit, and it is slightly damp. That I'd start to cook on that, because if I was having a pot above it, smoke in my eyes, if I was having a pot above it, it's nice and hot, ideal. Or you can let it go down to embers and keep topping it up and use the embers to the side. With the charcoal, we're now going to just spread it out, and you can really feel the heat coming off of these now. So yeah, another 5 minutes and they'll be ready to cook on. So we're 20 minutes in, the charcoal beds are spread out. It's quite well, it is very hot. We've got this burning very nice. This is the second piece we've put on, and I would start cooking now. So yeah, that is my way of starting a barbecue. If you've got any questions, drop me a message. And yeah, hopefully there'll be more videos to come. Adios.